Good morning student. Have a nice day. Today we will started in this video we will started introduction to Python. In this video we will learn some basic of Python. So now started children. So first of all introduction to Python. So we have to sing in this video what about the Python, basic of Python. Okay, so first we have to discuss some simple things. Have you ever thought about the versatility of a computer, means uses of computers? Okay children, now we have to sing how efficiently it's carry out all tasks with accuracy and is used in almost every fields. Okay, now we have to sing children. Well, a computer, a device, okay, to which you can give instructions to carry out the sequence of arithmetic or logical operation automatically, because that is a arithmetic logical operation. Okay, so now we have to discuss in next thing. This set of instructions are called computer programming. Okay, they all are set of instructions called computer programming. Now we have to discuss. Now modern computers have the ability to follow generalized set of operation called program. Okay, so next is in simple word, what about the program? A program is a sequence of instruction that specify how to perform a computation. Okay, like we have to sing here input, then processing will start it, then output will display on the output window. Okay, now we have to sing here. This program allows computer to perform a wide range of tasks. Okay, now we have to sing. There are some specific languages which are used to write programs. Okay, now we have to discuss. These language are called programming language. Okay, you can see in this video, in this page we have to sing different types of languages are there. That is a computer programming language. Okay, now we have to sing example of some programming languages are C, C++, Lisp, Java, PHP, and now we have to discuss Python. Okay children, now we have to sing the detail of different programming languages look different, but a few basic operations appear to be same in each one of them. Okay, now we have to sing. Next one is what about the input? Okay, to get the data from the keyboard, that is the input. We have to put first in our program input. Now we have to sing our computer converting this data into a information, that is the processing. Now we have to sing after input processing will start it. Now we have to sing output. What about the output? Obtaining the result from the computer, that is our result or output. Okay, now we have to sing arithmetic operations. What about performing basic mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, all is arithmetic operations. Okay, now we have to sing conditional execution. So what about conditional execution? Checking for certain condition and executing the appropriate code, that is a conditional executing. Like we have to sing here two statements are there, otherwise true, otherwise false. Okay, that is a conditional execution. Now alteration, performing some action repeatedly, usually with some variation, is alteration. For example, design, then build, then test, that is the alteration. Okay, now we have to discuss debugging. What about the debugging? Tracking down the error in the program, that is the debugging. Okay, that is a error in our program. Okay, now we have to children some simple thing. Keyword. Keyword is a special term that conveys some meaning to the compiler. Okay, that is a keyword. Now we have to sing. What about the Python? Simple. Python is one of the most powerful high-level object-oriented programming language. Okay, this is very powerful programming language. Now we have to sing. It was mainly developed to emphasize the code readability for which it uses the English keywords very frequently. That is easy to learn language, because this is a very easy language. Python is considered to be most appropriate language for beginner due to its simple and clearly defined the syntax. Okay, and this is easy for learn because this is the using English keywords. So in this chapter we will learn what about the Python, basic of Python. Now we have to sing in this page, object and class, data types, flow control, functions and file handling. They all are. We have to discuss first of all, Python was in late 1980s. Its implementation was started by Gonyo van Rossum in 1989 at CWI. Okay, that is started from 1980s. Okay children, which is a national research institute for mathematical and computer science in Netherlands, NRI, National Research Institute. Okay, now in 1991 its code was published. Okay, and in 1994 Python 1.0 was released with the new features. Okay, first of all Python 1.0 is released with new features. Now, due to its simplicity and easy syntax, Python gained popularity and many new versions were introduced with more advanced feature in it. Okay, that is Python 1.0. Okay, now we have to sing. Python is an object-oriented language, which means that is lay more emphasis on the data object rather than the producers. Okay, that is the object-oriented language. Now we have to sing. Real-time objects are considered and work on in this language, object-oriented programming. Okay. Now we have to sing here. Some of features make Python so popular are as follows. Number 1, easy to learn. Okay, easy to learn. It has few keywords, simple structure and a clearly defined syntax. That is this is the easy to learn language. Now we have to sing. Free to use. Okay, it is a free to use even for commercial product. Okay, because this is a open source. Okay, now we have to sing here GUI. So first of all, GUI stand for graphics user interface. So Python is GUI programming support application that can be created and portal to many system. Okay, so that is the very popular. Now syntax refer to the grammatical rule of any programming language. Okay, that is the syntax, because this is the grammatical rule for any programs, even any method also. We have to sing here rules of some programmings. Now we have to discuss application of Python programming. Okay children, so first of all, Python is a popular and easy to learn language and can be used a build of website, develop a program, perform computer vision, For example, facility like face detection and color detection. And do machine learning, because example, giving a computer the ability to learn. Okay, now we have to sing unable to now we have to sing enable robotics and perform web scripting. Okay, perform data analysis and automate a web browser, perform the scripting, perform scientific computing and build artificial intelligence. Okay, so that's why now this day Python is very popular. So everyone have a nice day. Thank you. You have watched my video. In next video we will learn more on Python. Okay, we have to discuss some script mode and shell. Python shell also we have to discuss in next my video. Okay, so everyone have a nice day. Thank you.